back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a game called Builders and Bulldozers. I hope you guys stay tuned and we'll see you soon. All right, so for this game, you're only gonna need 5 water bottles. Just make sure they're empty and you're gonna have them upright just like so. Builders, what you're gonna do is have everything standing. Those are called builders, and the bulldozers are gonna knock them over. So everything's gonna be standing up first, and then we're gonna become bulldozers, knock them over, and then we're gonna use only our foot to build it back up. The goal of this is to try to do it as quickly as possible. It seems easy, but it's actually harder than it looks. So stay tuned and watch me try out builders and bulldozers. All right, so I'm gonna do the 1 minute builder and bulldozer challenge. So make sure you guys stay tuned and let's get things going. Ready and start. Knock it out with my foot. Again, using my feet. I'm gonna try to pick it up. Almost got it. Jordan? Too hard.
Timer done.
And final score, 0. Let's see how Jordan does. Stay tuned. All right, so Jordan's gonna participate in Builders and Bulldozers. As a reminder, you must be the bulldozer first, knock them over, build it up with your foot only. All right, Jordan's gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Knock them all down, now it's time to pick them up. Nice and slow. Remember, my final score was 0. Jordan's hoping to get at least 1 and be the victor over this activity. Again, it's all about doing your best, trying your hardest. You almost got it. Very close. We're at 25 seconds. Oh, almost, so close. He's using the wall. He's used that as a way to help you. Definitely do that. Oh, so close. We're at 10 seconds left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up. If you look, Jordan had 1 up, so therefore he wins this challenge. In 1 minute, he was able to get 1 of his water bottles up. So, I hope you guys enjoyed.